Hey, I'm Joe Marlette, music producer and mixing engineer, here to talk about the Barefoot Sound Footprint 01 Gen 2. So I spent some time with the Gen 1, and I have to say that the Gen 2 is exceptional. The openness, the clarity, the detail, the second you turn it on, you hear it. With the addition of Spock technology, the mid-range and high-end really shine, and the imaging is second to none. It's so 3D you could just reach in and grab the frequencies. While the original Footprint 01 set a high standard for compact professional monitors, the Gen 2 surpasses it in every meaningful way, both technically and sonically. This next generation model introduces a fully tri-amplified three-way architecture providing dedicated Class D amplification for each driver. At the heart of the Footprint 01 is a suite of newly developed Barefoot drivers, including a 1-inch ring radiator tweeter, a 5-inch aluminum cone mid-range driver, and dual 8-inch aluminum cone woofers integrated into the cabinet using the proprietary dual force coupling system. The new DSP platform features Spock. This allows the Gen 2 to achieve higher resolution, improved clarity, and ultra-low latency for an unmatched mixing and monitoring experience. To support all this technical advancement, the cabinet itself has been acoustically refined with increased internal volume, optimized bracing, and enhanced damping, housed in a sealed enclosure with a sleek industrial finish. The Footprint 01 Gen 2 also features Barefoot's MEME technology, enabling you to instantly switch between multiple reference speaker types. Together, these innovations make the Footprint 01 Gen 2 not just a worthy successor, but a truly next-level monitor that brings flagship performance to a wider range of studios and creators. As Barefoot Sound launches the Footprint 01 Gen 2, it marks a significant evolution in the Footprint series, a lineup known for delivering uncompromising sound in more accessible formats. The original Footprint 01, the largest and most powerful in the range, set the standard for the flagship of the affordable Footprint line. It was followed by the Footprint 02, slightly smaller and more cost-effective, yet still packed with the same uncompromising sonic DNA. The Footprint 03 introduced a more compact ported design, becoming the most affordable and space-friendly monitor in the series. Completing the family is the Footprint 03C, initially developed as a dedicated center channel for immersive setups, but now widely embraced as a versatile stereo solution. With the launch of the Gen 2, the Footprint 01 returns as a completely reimagined monitor, delivering next-generation precision, power, and performance that reestablishes its place at the top of the Footprint lineup. The Footprint 01 Gen 2 is a fully tri-amplified system featuring dedicated Class D amplifier modules for each driver. First, we've got a 60-watt amplifier for the 1-inch ring radiator tweeter, a 150-watt amplifier powering the 5-inch aluminum cone mid-range driver, and a 500-watt amplifier for the dual 8-inch aluminum cone dual force woofers. This architecture ensures maximum headroom, minimal distortion, and perfectly tuned crossover transitions, delivering seamless clarity from 36 Hz to 40 kHz. The tweeter. The newly designed 1-inch ring radiator tweeter, now featuring a signature aluminum-colored cone, includes a stronger magnet, extended linear excursion, and improved thermal handling. Housed in a precision machine aluminum enclosure with a rear waveguide chamber, it delivers crisp transient response, accurate imaging, and extended high-frequency detail with exceptionally low distortion. A powerful 5-inch aluminum cone mid-range driver sits at the heart of the Gen 2. Upgraded with a larger voice coil, a more robust motor structure, and an extended excursion range, it delivers razor-sharp clarity and exceptional phase coherence, making it ideal for critical mix decisions. Lastly, the woofers, the famous Barefoot Sound low end. Dual 8-inch aluminum cone woofers anchored in a rugged cast aluminum frame form the backbone of the Gen 2's low-end response. These are integrated with Barefoot's exclusive dual force coupling system, which not only cancels internal vibrations, but also acts as a structural brace, enhancing cabinet rigidity, delivering Barefoot's legendary low end. At the core of the Gen 2 lies Barefoot's proprietary Spock technology. Spock stands for spectrally optimized conversion. By incorporating analog crossover filtering before digital conversion, Spock allows the high-frequency signal to enter the DSP unattenuated. Coupled with a new low-latency DSP engine, the Gen 2 delivers pristine sonic accuracy, tighter bass tuning, and enhanced spatial imaging, essential for immersive audio workflows and precision mixing. The cabinet of the Gen 2 is built from medium-density fiberboard, using stress assembly techniques that enhance structural rigidity and minimize resonance. With a total internal volume of 12.8 liters and full acoustic damping throughout, the enclosure is tuned for optimal dispersion and transient response. A textured gray polyester coating gives the Gen 2 a modern, professional finish, while its increased weight adds mechanical stability and performance integrity. The Footprint 01 Gen 2 also features Barefoot's MEME technology, which stands for Multi-Emphasis Monitor Emulation, enabling you to instantly switch between multiple reference speaker types. The 4 settings are old school, cube, hi-fi, and flat. For example, you can vibe in hi-fi mode while composing and then switch to flat mode for critical mixing decisions. With MEME, you get an analytical and inspiring speaker all in one. Whether you're mixing in stereo or building a multi-channel studio, the Barefoot Sound Footprint 01 Gen 2 delivers elite performance in a footprint that's right-sized for today's production environments. It's the perfect fusion of next-generation engineering, real-world versatility, and Barefoot's legendary sonic signature.